today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy squishies for your blind bag. So these are the normal squishies that people now make. They're actually the hard way. How is it hard, you will ask? It's hard because you need to draw it out. You must tape it. And then you must color it. Some people don't even know how to draw this, and you must cut it. Yeah. But this one is the easy way, using stickers like this. Any type of stickers, but big stickers recommended. Why is stickers the easy way? It's because all you need to do is stuff the stuffing inside the sticker and you're done. Just one step. So these are the stickers, and from this thin layer of sticker can turn into this. Easy and squishy. And listen to that noise. Satisfying, huh? And now I'm going to be showing you how to make this into this. So all you need to do is pick a sticker of your choice. Yeah. But before we actually do it, I'm going to be showing you what you need to make it. So you need tape, scissors, fern, and paper, optional if you want it to make more noise. And of course you need stickers. So choose your sticker. So what you need to do with the tape, you need to just tape half of it, which is already taped half. Then after you tape half, you have to peel the sticker. Don't peel it all the way. Yeah, then you see you have this space. And what you gotta do with this space, you have to put in fur. But don't put in a lot of fur, because if not, it's hard to squish and the fluff will not go anywhere. So just put some squishness. Then after you put the squishness, you have to tape in this part. You must tape everywhere so the squishness inside won't come out. Okay, then you see these extra stuff. You have to cut them, but don't cut everything. If not, the squishness can come out. Just cut it like this. And then look, you have your own easy squishy. Then you can put it in your squishy collection if you have one. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.